How to create gift planner on Microsoft Excel app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create gift planner on Microsoft Excel easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Excel. Now go to the top corner and click on this add option. Scroll down until you find the gift planner, and here is it right here. Now after you find it, click on it and you will be able to change everything right here. You can change when, who, what and where and how much also, and you can add notes right here. And after you finish editing this template, go to the top corner, click save. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.